Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick update of the status of the latest lightweight camper. We got a new sleeping bag. We finally found a sleeping bag. We could buy two and zipper them together, which was a common thing when I was a kid, but apparently they're kind of hard to find. Anyway, what I'm going to add in here, see where my shoes are, there's going to be a couple of shelves put in there for shoes. While we were camping, we were just basically stacking our shoes on top of each other. I was thinking about putting an air conditioner in, but I need space for a whole 12 by 16 for a window shaker, and there really isn't any practical place for it. So what I'm going to do is eventually get something similar to a Zero Breeze Echo Flow, whatever. There's a whole bunch of them. In fact, by the looks of things, there's new brands coming out every day. And I've decided I'm going to have to modify the table hanger. It really puts too much strain on the wall. So I'm going to put a patch of Phylon underneath it to stiffen up the wall. Mind you, I did try it with a very heavy table. And I've added a tongue box. For now, I just have all the sewer and drain equipment. And yeah, as you can see, my propane bottles. And I've got a tube for the sewer hose, which I haven't figured out where to put yet. I'm getting a new tongue jack. And I also put the bigger wheels and tires back on because it was very awkward to get the stabilizers down with the small wheels. So all that stuff is going to be done shortly. Thanks for watching.